Zearn Admin Reports include all the schools, grades, and classes in your Zearn roster. Here's how to create and share saved views in Zearn Admin Reports. With saved views, you can focus on the groups you need to analyze, return to the same filtered data each time, and share that view with other administrators. Start by selecting the schools, grades, or classes you want included in your reports. Once your filters are set, select Save Filters. Give the view a clear name. If this is the view you use most often, set it as your default. Then select Save. You can open this view anytime from the menu, beside the report name. The star identifies your default view. You can also help other administrators monitor the same students. Open the three-dot menu, select Share View, and copy the link. When another administrator opens the link, they can save that filtered view to their account. Use saved views to return to the implementation data that matters to you, without rebuilding your filters each time.